everybody, and welcome to another edition of James Jam. Just got another little haul for you here from da 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 or da 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 no da 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 Fashionphile. This is something just real little. I've been absolutely positively loving one of the bags I have. Well, I love all my bags, but really liking one that was a previously issued, that they don't issue anymore bag, and just wanted something to go with it. So I decided when I saw this I was going to pick it up because Fashionphile just had that special 10% off anything already on sale. So I thought, okay, yeah, I'm game. So I got my package. Comes with my Fashionphile and my little, yay. Someday they're going to make it so they open them and they just whoosh all over. And then used as the new you. So I knew this had some use on it. But I figured I'd take a shot. It comes with the, well, I don't think it came with anything else. Nope. So here it is. You can guess what it is. A shoe. No, wait, no. I got a wallet. And this is it. This is in the multicolor. I have the black multicolor Lodge, and that bag is the bomb. I mean, I love that bag, and I really want to get something in the white multicolor as well. But nothing showed up yet on Fashionphile that either I don't want to spend the money for it, it's a little pricier than I want, or there's too much yellow in the white, and I don't want any yellow in the white. That's why the black is so nice, because you don't get the yellow. It fades a little more, but this one, I just thought this looked great. And normally I don't like a long wallet, but the Lodge is pretty long. So instead of putting multi-card holders in my bag, like I do with a lot of my other ones, I figured this was nice. The gold's still pretty nice. And then I loved the interior. It's just got like the light interior here, but I loved that there was a little spot for a pen and then a little, open spot like this. Yeah, it's just, I really, really like it. It's just beautiful. What was this one called? Because at first I thought it was little, and then for once I actually looked at the measurements. I was watching a Winnie B. LV video one time when she bought a Chanel makeup thing, and it came with a bag, and she thought it was going to be a nice sized bag, and it was this little itty bitty thing. So ever since then I read the measurements on stuff if I'm not familiar with what it is I'm purchasing, and I am not familiar with old school Louis Vuitton bags or wallets. Words are hard. So let's see here. This is called I don't even know why I'm looking at this because I won't be able to read what it says. Let's see, Louis Vuitton monogram multicolor. Multicolor something. Let me just ask here my camera person what this says quick. LV multicolor monogram multicolor. Is it spelled?
I don't know what it says.
Great. Let me go have some glasses. Okay. But you don't see this every day in videos. Oh, wow, yeah. Port Tresor International Wallet. Porte and Tresor. Port Tresor? Is that right? I hope so. So yeah, this is what I got. Very, very pleased with it. It actually looks nicer in person than it did online. There's not a lot of fading because you can get some fading. And this is just going to go so perfect with my Lodge. It'll just slide right in there. And I like how this looks like the Vachetta. And only it's not. I mean, it feels different. This is, but this isn't. But my little Fashionphile tag. Yeah, I am just in love with this. I love this wallet. I love my Lodge. I'm still looking for a white one, but I know Fashionphile has one right now. too much yellow. So sometime I'll get the white, but I'm in love in the black right now. So yeah, that's actually all I have for you today. I probably have some more stuff coming eventually. Let me know if you want a review of this or any of my bags, actually. I don't post real frequently because I'm not quite sure what to post on. Maybe I'll start doing some comparisons or something, or if anybody wants to tag me in anything, I can start doing some tags. But for right now, that's all I have. And so just leave you with please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Have a great day, and thanks for watching.